All right, you can begin.
All right, guys, we got one guy, one bus, and 6 bitches. They'll be watching it live from the bus and seeing if everything's all right, if they're gonna get their second date, or if Christian's gonna take one look at them and give them the, oh, hell no. Let's meet our bachelor.
I'm Christian Black, but you already know who I am. I enjoy running through the 6 with my woes. Another interest of mine are women with big titties. I'm proficient in bedroom booming, which I'm sure you already heard. And today I'm looking for a girl with a fat ass and 3-centimeter earlobes.
Hey, I'm Chastity and I'm pregnant as fuck. Hey, Dad. You ready to be our daddy for real?
Oh, hell no!
You couldn't handle all these curves anyway.
You got curves all the wrong places.
Oh man, looks like Christian wanted 1 date, not 2 this time. Let's see who's next for him.
Just for your next.
Don't worry, ladies. I got this in the bag. Jesus on my side. Guys love a girl on her knees.
Hey, I'm Black. Christian Black.
What's in store for us today?
Well, we're going to go on a picnic on the beach. But I think you're a little overdressed. I think you should change to these.
Oh, heck no. I can't wear that simple piece of string. Oh,
Hey, calm your ass down, lady. Get your ass back on that bus.
Don't you understand?
Looks like Jesus wasn't enough.
You are one of these Jesus. You and that devil baby.
Bitch, don't test me. You're looking at the track and must not to fake out your life.
That boy's a heathen. You'd be good for him.
Man, Christ didn't compel that date to go any further. Who's next?
I don't rock this boy's world.
Slut.
When it rains, it storms. Hey, I'm Swimming Rains.
What's your real name? And not your stripper name.
That is my real name, silly. Ooh, your muscles. They're so big. You must work out. Maybe one day I'll be part of your workout regimen.
Well, I don't mean to brag or anything, but I have been known to throw the weights.
I like what I see, big boy.
You know what they say, once you go black, you never go back.
I haven't been back for a while.
Is that a cold sore?
It's just a little herpes.
Oh, hell no!
The doctor said it can only be spread with direct contact.
Well, it looks like that didn't work out for them. But, you know, looks like I have a date for tonight. But who's next for Christian?
He couldn't handle my cold sore. Maybe you'll have to let that
Oh, look what we got here. She's probably a freak. Hey, see you like black.
I love black.
Looks like we're in luck. Are you okay? So, what do you do for fun?
Stuff.
Would you like to...
You look a little tense. Why don't you let me help you? Once we're married, my name will be Black, like my soul.
Oh, what?
How do you feel about genital piercing?
Oh, hell
looks like that one was a little too dark. Let's see who's next for him.
You're next, but it won't do you any good. He's mine. Goodbye.
You guys don't use me anyways. My losers.
Guys.
This cowboy ain't gonna run me.
Ooh, a country girl. So what do you like to do for fun?
Well, I'm good at milking, cows, goats, men.
So, yeah. Why'd you come on this date?
To piss off my dad.
To piss off your dad. I don't understand.
Oh, silly. I'm a country girl. My dad, he believes in the old Southern ways.
Oh, hell no!
You're gonna handle it anyway. I gotta go home and feed my horses. They're the only one I'm gonna
All right, well, it looks like Christian had to leave her hanging. Let's see who our very last contestant is.
Hey, handsome.
Hey, you were just the girl I was hoping to see get off that bus.
Like, OMG, you're so totally cute. Like, I can't even.
So sexy. What's your name?
Like, my name is Brittany.
Sexy name for a sexy girl.
I can show you sexy. I'm a cheerleader.
Really? I used to be too.
Like, oh my god, let's collaborate. Me first. Go the team.
So, is that real?
Oh, these? Of course.
I was talking about the flower in your hair, but would you like to go on a second date? I choose you.
OMG, yes, I win.
Hell no.
Well, it looks like Christian found love, but I don't think he's the only one.